Welcome back to Turbo Tracks, the channel where we dive deep into the most exciting vehicles on the road today. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2025 Toyota Taisor, a striking SUV that blends cutting-edge technology, dynamic design, and powerful performance. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vehicle a game-changer in the automotive world, focusing on its exterior, design, features, and performance, but without delving into the interior. So buckle up, because this is going to be one thrilling ride. The Toyota Taisor has made a massive statement with its bold, futuristic design, drawing inspiration from Toyota's keen-look design philosophy, which is all about creating a sense of dynamic movement, even when the car is standing still. This SUV has a more aggressive stance, thanks to its wide, angular front grille that is flanked by sleek, sharp LED headlights. These headlights feature a signature light bar that wraps around the front, giving the Taisor a distinct look that stands out on the road. The grille itself, larger and bolder, highlights the vehicle's performance-oriented persona, making it clear this SUV means business. Moving along the side, the Toyota Taisor's profile is a masterclass in aerodynamic design, with flowing lines that emphasize both elegance and strength. The side body features sculpted panels and sculpted character lines, adding depth and structure. The wheel arches are prominently flared, enhancing the vehicle's muscular appeal, and giving it a ready-to-pounce stance. The Taisor also boasts massive 20-inch alloy wheels that not only add a touch of luxury but also improve handling dynamics. These wheels sit within wide, sporty tires that ensure the vehicle stays grounded while maximizing performance. One of the standout features of the Taisor's side profile is the integrated side skirts, which help in reducing drag and enhancing airflow efficiency, adding to its athletic stance. The Taisor includes flush door handles, which contribute to its smooth, sleek lines while adding a modern touch. The side mirrors are also designed with aerodynamics in mind, having a more compact shape that minimizes wind resistance, all while incorporating camera technology for improved visibility and safety. The rear of the Toyota Taisor is where the design gets even more interesting, featuring a full-width LED light bar that extends across the tailgate. The rear end offers a futuristic vibe. The light strip is not just for show, either, as it integrates functional elements, such as brake lights and turn signals. The taillights themselves are intricately designed, with sharp edges that mimic the aggressive front headlights, providing the vehicle with a unified design language. The rear bumper is sculpted to enhance the overall aerodynamics of the vehicle, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. The design incorporates integrated exhaust tips, giving the rear a clean, finished look while maintaining the Taisor's sporty appeal. A rear spoiler sits just above the tailgate, enhancing both the visual appeal and the downforce at higher speeds, helping keep the Taisor planted on the road. Now, let's talk about some of the technological innovations on the exterior. The Taisor features advanced sensors embedded into the front and rear bumpers. These sensors are part of Toyota's suite of safety features, such as the Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control,